I am Astro Amirtha. Today's Anmiga guideline is connected with your son or sons to whom you are seeking marriage life, and connected with your son or son's marriage life. If you do the puja, which I am going to say to you, and through that puja definitely you can get success in the transaction which is connected with your son or son's marriage life. But this puja must be performed by the person to whom the marriage is to be done by the parents. So that candidate, that son alone has to do this puja. The puja is nothing but, and after completing new moon, which Friday is coming as first Friday, it should be selected, and on that Friday from morning 6 to 7 a.m. you have to select that time for the puja, and at that time ask your son to whom you are seeking marriage transaction. That son alone has to perform this puja, and ask that son to decorate the Mahalakshmi photo properly with the jasmine flower, as well as ask your son to light a lamp by using pure ghee, pure cow ghee, as well as your son has to provide prasadam to Mahalakshmi Devi. That prasadam is nothing but pal payasam, by using milk. Payasam must be prepared. Suppose if he is not in the position to prepare milk payasam daily, instead of milk payasam, daily take raw milk. With raw milk, ask him to add diamond sugar candy and stir it well, and keep that milk, sweet milk, as prasadam to Mahalakshmi Devi. And your son, what he knows, the stotram of Mahalakshmi Devi or the stuti of Mahalakshmi Devi, it should be as slogam. Your son has to pray that slogam, or as slogam your son has to chant that mantram, and finally he has to do puja by using jasmine flower as archana, and ask him to express his problem connected with marriage life to Mahalakshmi Devi, and jasmine flower must be put under the feet of Mahalakshmi Devi after completing the puja and all. And if he is praying to Mahalakshmi Devi properly, and continuously this type of puja will be performed by him minimum for 90 days or maximum for 6 months, definitely your son's marriage life marriage transaction will be succeeded, and he will get a good marriage life. For that good blessing will be given by Mahalakshmi Devi without fail. So try to do this puja, and your son has to get a good marriage life. And this is my wish to you. And if you like this video, please share this video to others. As well as don't forget to subscribe this video. Bye from Astro Amirtha.